Ladies and gentlemen, see this whole beautiful spread of healthy, raw vegan foods that we have made with the help of only one kitchen device. The one and only Monsieur Magimix de France. After all this food prepping, logically there are a lot of dishes. But since all Magimix parts are dishwasher safe, washing them is a pleasure. Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. Once again, welcome to my stove-less kitchen. As you already know, there is no stove in my kitchen, but on the other hand, my kitchen is ideally equipped for raw vegan food preparation. My new friend in my kitchen is Monsieur Magimix de France. In my previous video, you saw me how I excitedly unboxed this kitchen device. And in this video, you're gonna learn how to use this food processor. Please know that in this video, I'm not gonna show you any concrete recipe that is coming up for you in the upcoming videos. But you're gonna learn how to use different attachments, blades and discs with this food processor. Without further ado, let's go straight to the main point of this video. With the Magimix food processor, you also get a storage box for all Magimix attachments, blades and discs. You get two slicing discs, a 2mm one and a 4mm one. It is very simple to use these discs. The medium-sized bowl is designed for these discs. Now you will see how quickly and easily you can slice a cucumber into equal thin slices. Although the Magimix is a relatively quiet device with a noise level of between 75 and 85 decibels, depending on the task it performs at a given moment, I always use earmuffs because I want to preserve my hearing long term. You can buy high-quality earmuffs on amazongloves.com. Notice how quickly and precisely the cucumber has been sliced into identical thin slices. As we have used the disc bowl, the large bowl remained completely clean. Now you have seen how the 4mm slicing disc slices a cucumber quickly and precisely into identical thin slices. As I always say, the texture of the food affects the taste of the food. Chop the same vegetable differently and you will get a completely different taste of the same vegetable. Now let's see how the 2mm slicing disc works. Easily assemble the disc and bowl onto the Magimix base. Earmuffs are in their place. And this time we have our trusty Magimix slice a carrot into thin 2mm wide slices. Done! Fast and precise. The carrot has been sliced perfectly. The large bowl is still completely clean. A food processor that works as quickly and precisely as Magimix is especially useful for people who want to make healthy, fresh fruit and vegetable meals, but have neither the time nor the desire to spend a lot of time chopping food in the kitchen. Now you have seen how the 4mm and 2mm slicing discs work, using the narrow feed tube. When the food is inserted through the narrow tube, the food is sliced crosswise. Now let's see how the same 2mm slicing disc will cut a zucchini, but lengthwise. Put the zucchini into the wide tube, and by pressing one button, you get the zucchini sliced quickly and precisely into thin slices that are perfect for raw vegan lasagna or mini sandwiches, as examples. Now that we have seen how to use slicing discs, let's now see how to use grating discs. You get a 2mm grating disc and a 4mm grating disc. First, we are using the 4mm grating disc. We are grating a celery stalk. Celery gives a very nice salty taste to food because celery is a vegetable with a high percentage of sodium, a mineral that gives a naturally salty taste. Just look at it, perfectly grated celery in no time. What comes next is the 2mm grating disc. Easily assemble the grating disc in the medium-sized bowl on the Magimix base. Earmuffs are exactly where they need to be. Let's grate an apple. See how quickly and easily we got a perfectly precisely grated apple. The Magimix food processor is a great ally in food preparation and culinary endeavors. With such a powerful device for chopping and processing food, you will save a lot of time and always get perfectly precisely chopped food. Here is the big S blade. In the Magimix kit, you get 2 S blades. What you see now is the large S blade used in the large bowl. Now we are going to chop some fresh parsley. Remove the parsley stalks as much as possible and put the rest of the parsley in the large Magimix bowl. Close the bowl and by pressing one button, let the Magimix do its job masterfully. I would love you to smell this freshly chopped parsley through the video. It smells delicious. Chopped fresh parsley, dill, oregano, mint, lemon balm, basil, marjoram, all these herbs, when they are fresh and freshly chopped, add an irresistible note to every dish. Please note that the Magimix cannot grind small seeds, although it successfully grinds nuts. Now we are going to make sesame turmeric milk. 2 spoons of sesame seeds should first be ground either with mortar and pestle or in a seed grinder. We are placing the small S blade in the small Magimix bowl. We are adding 2 tablespoons of ground sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 cup of filtered water. You might be wondering why we have just made this sesame turmeric milk now. I said I won't be showing you the recipes in this video, but just to tickle your imagination a little bit. We are taking some cauliflower from the dehydrator that was being dehydrated for only an hour at 115 Fahrenheit, which is 46 Celsius degrees. We are using the large S blade again. We are adding the semi-dehydrated cauliflower into the large Magimix bowl. With a simple press of a button, we have our cauliflower finely chopped. Need some rice without rice? Here you are! And did you know that there is cauliflower flour? The same cauliflower flour that you can buy, you can also make with just a little longer dehydrating and chopping the cauliflower in the Magimix. Now let's replace the large S blade with the dough mixing attachment. We are closing the bowl with the lid and starting to mix the chopped cauliflower while slowly pouring our sesame turmeric milk through the feed tube. In the upcoming videos, I will show you, among other culinary tricks, creative ways on how to use raw cauliflower in delicious and healthy raw vegan recipes.
In this video, I hope that at least your imagination has already started to work on this topic. Think in the direction of a healthy raw rice substitute, or perhaps even potato substitute, or even cauliflower flour when it is chopped really finely. But more on all this in the upcoming videos. Next, we are going to make some avocado sauce. We are using the small bowl and the small S plate. From my experience, and it is not excluded that I will learn better with time, when making a creamy consistency mixture in the small bowl, it is necessary to stop the Magimix at least once, use a spatula to push the food from the inner walls of the bowl towards the center of the bowl, and then mix everything again. We got a creamy and delicious avocado sauce. You can use this sauce as a salad dressing, a semi-dehydrated vegetable spread, a raw vegan lasagna filling, a raw zucchini fettuccine sauce. You get so many delicious and healthy options. It's time for the citrus press. Would you like to quickly make freshly squeezed orange and grapefruit juice? You can do this easily with the help of the Magimix because you also get this citrus juicing attachment. You get a small cone for small fruits like lemons and limes, and you get a big cone for large fruits like oranges and grapefruits. To get 1 glass of freshly squeezed juice, you need 1 orange and 1 grapefruit. Some pulp remains in the juice. Personally, I always strain it because I like clear juice. The juice itself, when freshly juiced and strained, has a phenomenal taste. Cheers! Now, let's see how effectively Magimix juices lemons. Just look at it to the last drop. Lemon is one of the foods that I always have in my fridge. I start every morning by exercising and sipping freshly juiced lemon juice with slightly warmed water. Even when I go to the gym, I take this delicious and simple drink with me. Lemon juice is also an important ingredient in dressing, sauces, dips, and soups. Next in the line is my expertise, which I've been practicing diligently every day in the persimmon season for years. You already know me well. We are making persimmon pudding. Persimmon pudding making, my expertise it is. Without faking to be humble, I claim that I make the best persimmon pudding. I know, being humble is one of my virtues. Joking aside. Let me show you a trick. But first, let me say right away, drawing air into food, as is done every time you mix or whisk food, is not a healthy practice. This is especially true when whisking food, as you will soon see. When air molecules are drawn into the food, it results in a fantastic texture and delicious taste. But it comes with a price. Air molecules that are drawn into the food during whisking can potentially end up in the stomach or even in the small intestine and cause digestive disturbances. Anyway, let me show you the trick. We are replacing the S plate in the Magimix bowl with the whisk attachment for originally eggs, but in our case it is going to be persimmons, which themselves have a very similar consistency to egg yolks. So we can whisk them very effectively, just as we would traditionally do with egg yolks. And here is the trick. While whisking the egg yolks, or in our case persimmons, we open the lid so that when whisking this mixture, air is drawn into the whisking mixture. With the Magimix whisk attachment, you get a bowl filled with the most fluffy and delicious whipped cream. For the very end, as icing on the cake, we're gonna make banana ice cream, which, as you will see, will be creamy, fluffy, and white, just like whipped cream. We are using the large ass plate in the large Magimix bowl. We are adding 4 chopped frozen bananas. Let's blend! Ladies and gentlemen, look at how creamy and thick this ice cream is, made with only one ingredient. Oh yes, this ice cream is a creamy creaminess. Who says ice cream is not a healthy food? Of course ice cream is a healthy food. I mean, when it's made with frozen fruit. Frozen bananas are the basis of healthy ice cream. Ladies and gentlemen, see this whole beautiful spread of healthy, raw vegan foods that we have made with the help of only one kitchen device. The one and only Monsieur Magimix de France. After all this food prepping, logically there are a lot of dishes. But since all Magimix parts are dishwasher safe, washing them is a pleasure.
I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed watching this video and that you got excited about all the wonderful culinary possibilities that you have on your disposal when you have in your kitchen Monsieur Magimix de France. And if you would like to get a Magimix in your kitchen as well, you can easily order it on amazongloves.com. Many thanks to all of you who are ordering on amazongloves.com, because this way you would directly support me to continue my work on Health Gloves YouTube channel. Whenever you order something on amazongloves.com, I earn a small commission from your payment at no extra cost to you. This is how you help me to continue to make all these videos for you. I love making these videos for you, but I invest my time and money in each and every of these videos, and this is my pleasure. But at the same time, I'm very much thankful when some of you order on amazongloves.com so I can continue to do the work that I love. Thank you. If this video means anything to you, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscription button so that you can enjoy all the upcoming videos that I'm making for you with lots of love. And in those new videos, you're gonna get free raw vegan recipes and free education on a raw vegan diet, exercise, and healthy living. If these are the topics that you are interested in, then welcome to my little world. My Health Glows YouTube channel, your place of your natural, true health. Until the next video, I'm sending you lots of regards. And as always, my friends, keep going. Bye bye.